Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to English class, and today we are going to do the vocabulary. This is the part 5 of your unit, and coming on page number, now if you just take out your book and have page number 144 opened over there, you will see an exercise which is related to the vocabulary, and this exercise B we are going to include as a first exercise in our copy in the vocabulary portion. So I'm going to read the question to you, and then of course we are going to fill it with the words. Complete the following sentences either with the conjunction if or the conjunction unless. Now he has given over here few sentences. These are 8 in number. He is asking us to, according to the requirement of the sentence, either we fill it with if or unless. I am just going to read the first sentence, and then I'll tell you the blank, the word to be filled over there. Dash, my calculations are correct. They owe us $2,000. Okay. Now, according to the sentence, we are going to place if as a conjunction over there. In blank number 2, we are going to place the conjunction unless. In blank 3, we will place unless over there. Okay. In the fourth, we are using if, and in the fifth, again we are going to place unless. Sixth is going to have if over there as a blank. Seventh is also going to be filled with if, and eighth we are going to place unless. I'm very much mistaken, that's Linda Lee, a film star over there. You may see here, over here we have done this exercise that we have just filled it in our book. You are going to place the heading vocabulary, and you may put this grammar in between, within the brackets. Then you are going to write the question, and then you will place the sentences one by one, okay, and you are going to fill it with a black pointer. Okay, this will be your first vocabulary exercise, and the second is going to be related to the writing. Okay, and it is an activity that we are going to do, and it is something like this. Okay, it is taken from the book only. Write 5 points how people lived before the advent of modern technology. Okay. Now we are going to put the heading over here, living style of people before the advent of modern technology. And now we are going to write down at least 5 points, and which you are going to write uh, by leaving one line space between the sentences. Okay, now come to the first sentence. People used to cook on burning woods and later on normal stoves by using oil before the gas supply. This is the first sentence. This is the first point that we have written. Now coming to the second point, they used to travel far and wide on foot or perhaps on animals' back. Full stop. Third point, they covered themselves with animals' skin, comma, giving them shape of a dress. Full stop. Fourth point, there was no concept of storing food, comma, freshly cooked food was used. Full stop. Point number fifth, people send their messages by sending signals of fire and smoke or sounds like beating drums. Full stop. Now these are the 5 points that we have written. Okay, and with this we complete our unit number 11. Students, now I would like to inform you that I am going to conduct a test, which is going to be part 6. Okay, and in that test you have to prepare your unit number 6. ठीक है, you are going to prepare your unit number 6 fully copy work. ठीक है, all the work from unit 6 is going to be taken as a test, and you have to prepare it. So do your learning very well and get yourselves prepared. And with this, we have now completed our unit, and now let's say a goodbye to each other. Allah Hafiz.